Hey friends, we are prepping for a surf trip here with our adventure van. I'm gonna show you why this Ho Stevie board bag offers a really great solution for our travel adventures. Here in Colorado, we primarily river surf, which means we use shorter boards. This is my Super Brand 5.3 and my soft hybrid board that is 5.0. Now these board bags are obviously really great for single boards if you want to keep your fins on, especially there's plenty of room. It has this protective layer on the outside that deflects the sun and heat so your board doesn't get damaged. Our version is the 6.0, but again, you can get this in multiple lengths. Now the reason I love this so much for our shortboard solutions here in Colorado is that it can fit two boards for transportation so easily. Now, obviously traveling on surf trips here in the van, space becomes a premium because of all the extra gear and dogs that we're bringing. So having a single board bag solution where I can just tuck it away in the corner underneath our bed is so great. With the fins off of my board, I can just easily slide this straight into the board bag. And again, board number 2 can just slide right on top. You can see I can easily grab leashes and things like that and just stuff them in as well. It then becomes super easy to just zip up the board bag and have this nice thin profile, even with two boards, for us to stick away and store for our travels. I love that Ho Stevie included this pocket. You can see that's fairly deep, nothing huge, but we're gonna easily be able to stick a couple sets of fins in here, some board wax, and any other essentials that we might need. Friends, I really have appreciated Ho Stevie as a surf brand. Surfer owned, really personable, great customer service every time we've had to interact with them. And they honestly make really decent products. I've really been happy with all of the gear we've been able to use, including this board bag. If you're interested in grabbing it for yourself, you can actually find it right here on Amazon. In fact, we'll put some links in the description box below where you can pick it up. And then subscribe and stay tuned because we actually have a ton of these Amazon gear review videos coming up really soon, hopefully to make your life just a little bit better. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you again on the next one.